welcome to Miss Rachel's class. Today is the 23rd of April, 2020. Okay, so let's go ahead and check our homework, guys. The first homework we were asked to do was to sort the words into the correct spelling. So let's just do that. We're going to go through it super quick. I'll say a word, and I want you to shout out where it goes. So number one is free. Where should free go? Shout it out. E-E or E-A?
E.
E-E, very good. What about beach? E-A. Teeth. E-E. Please. Beach. Good. Wheel. Good. Team. Good. Speak. Good. Sneeze. Good. Sheep. Good. Meaning. Good. Weave. Good. Very good. EA. Well done. EA. So now, well done to you guys. I think everyone got this completely correct. However, some people did not underline the letters. Here it says, underline the letters in each word that makes a long E sound. As you can see, I have gone through and underlined each letter that made the long E sound, but not everyone did that. Okay, so guys, make sure that you're reading all of the question, because if you had a test and it said underline the letters in each word and you didn't do it, you would lose many marks in your test just because you didn't read the question properly. So make sure you're reading all of the worksheet and all of the questions. And well done to those of you who did underline, because many of you did too. All right, the second homework was a little bit difficult. So let's have a look and we'll do it together. So what we had to do was we had to use words from this box and put them into the blank spaces. So let's have a look. Number one. Who can read number one for me? Hi, Fam.
Use your teeth to chew when you eat.
Very good. Well done. Hi, Fam. Use your teeth to chew when you eat. Amazing. Good job, Hi, Fam. Perfect. Number two. Who can read number two for me? Jenny.
Will you please cover your mouth when you sneeze?
Very good. Will you please cover your mouth when you sneeze? This is even more important recently because of the virus we have going about. When you sneeze, achoo, you cover your mouth with your hands, with your elbow. You must cover your mouth to save the germs. Good girl, Jenny. Okay, next. Number three. Ba, can you do number three for me? Weave.
Wool from sheep to make sweater.
Very good. Well done, Ba. We weave wool from sheep to make a sweater. So weave is similar to knitting. Okay, so you weave the wool together to make a sweater. Good job, guys. Amazing. Number four, can you do that for me, Haling?
You can read the meaning of the word in dictionary.
Very good. Lovely, Haling. You can read the meaning of a word in the dictionary. That's what the dictionary is for. If you're not sure of a word, you can look it up in the dictionary. Okay, number five. Can you do number five for me, Fred?
The swimming team had a race at the beach.
Beach. Good job. We're going to say, where can we go swimming? We can go swimming at the beach. So the swimming team had a race at the beach. So they had a swimming race in the sea. Now here we had some mix-ups. Now they could be a little bit difficult, and I understand that. So number six, what do we think number six is? Let's go for Sop.
Ariana will teach her friend how to use a pottery wheel.
Very good. Well done. Perfect word, Sup. Ariana will teach her friend how to use a pottery wheel. Who can tell me what a pottery wheel is? Pottery wheel can be electric with a plug in and you use your foot, or it can just be a wheel on the floor that you spin with your hands. And what it does, it is helps you sculpt beautiful pottery from clay. Okay, number 7. Who can help me do number 7? Kaki. Go ahead.
Recess, we are free to speak about whatever we want.
Very good. Well done, Kaki. During recess, we are free to speak about whatever we want. Really good work. Now, this one had a little bit of complications as well. So we are free. That means that you are able to do whatever you would like and you are able to speak about whatever you want. Some people wrote read here, and read would make sense. During recess, we are free to read about whatever we want. That does make sense, but we needed to use read up here. So that's why that didn't work. Okay, Bud, do you have a question?
I don't understand sentence number 7.
Number 7. Okay, who can help? Thank you, Bud. Thank you so much for being honest. Okay, during recess, we are free to speak about whatever we want. Who can help explain to Bud what this means? Who can help be the teacher? Suri, go ahead.
That means that we are free, so that means that we can go anywhere we want and we can speak anything we want.
Anything we want. Okay, good girl. So, recess, here, this word, it means break time. So during break time, we are free to speak about whatever we want. So for example, when you go on your break time, teachers won't come around and say, don't talk about Pokemon, don't talk about Doraemon. You are allowed to talk to your friends about whatever it is you want to speak about. However, when you're in class, you are not free to speak about what you want. So for example, if you're sitting in my class and you start talking about a video game that you play, I will not be very happy. I will say, "Bah, concentrate on your work. Don't talk about that." Okay? All right, well, let's move on. Okay, guys, so today we have our vocabulary lesson. So let's have a look. Our first word is culture. Can everyone say culture?
Culture.
Love. Okay, one more time, everyone together. Culture.
Culture.
Lovely. Perfect pronunciation. Culture. Who can read for me? Swimming.
Culture is a tradition and belief of
Beliefs.
a group of people.
Very good. Well done. Culture. Culture is the traditions and the beliefs of a group of people. So in the world, there are many different cultures. For example, who can remember where I am from? Daisy.
England.
Good girl. I am from England. That is where I am from. So my culture in England is different to culture in Vietnam. We have very different traditions and beliefs. Let's have a look at this definition. Nuna, can you read this sentence for me, please?
Culture is a certain type of person, way of living.
Very good. Thank you, Nuna. So culture is a certain type of a person's way of living. So let's have a look at this question. What holidays are part of your culture? So this is interesting. Now, I've just said that I'm from England and my culture is different to your culture. So you're Vietnamese, so we celebrate some different things in our culture. For example, holidays that are part of my culture are Easter, which has just been, and Easter. We have Christmas and we have New Year's. They're very big holidays that we celebrate in England. What holidays are part of your culture? Haling.
Christmas.
Yeah, okay, good. Lots of people here celebrate Christmas. Perfect. So we share that tradition. We share that in our culture. Good girl, Haling. What other holidays do you celebrate in Vietnam? Maybe a holiday that we would not celebrate in England. Okay, Dami, go ahead.
Tet.
Very good. Well done. Tet holidays. So well done to all of yous typing in the chat box. Tet holidays. Well done. So Tet holiday is different to my New Year's holiday at home. On New Year's Day at home in England, we celebrate it every year on the 31st of December. So we use
But
different.
China also have Tet.
Very good. China also have Tet holiday, but they call it Chinese New Year. And people in Korea also celebrate the Lunar New Year. So different cultures celebrate different holidays. Okay, good job, guys. So who can give me a sentence using the word culture? For example, in my culture, we celebrate Easter every year. Who can give me a sentence using the word culture? Kitty.
In my culture, every
Culture. So it's like culture.
culture.
Good girl.
In my culture, we eat to celebrate every year.
Very good. Well done. You have a big feast where you all your family come together and you eat a meal to celebrate. Good girl, Kitty. Amazing. Who can give me one more sentence? Katie, can you tell me something? What do you do in Vietnamese culture? What's something special that only Vietnamese people do? You could talk about maybe clothes that Vietnamese people wear to celebrate. You could talk about the food that you eat in your culture.
In my culture, we
What are some special clothes that you wear, Katie? So I've seen some beautiful clothes that students wear coming up to Tet Holiday. What are those called? Do you know the name in Vietnamese?
áo dài.
Good girl, well done. So you can say that. You can say, in our culture, we wear áo dài to celebrate. Yeah, good girl, well done. So in our culture, we wear áo dài to celebrate weddings, to celebrate New Year. Good job, well done. Okay, moving on to our next word. Our next new word is community. Can everyone say community?
Community.
Lovely. Okay, can you read for me? Ding Ming.
A community is a group of people who live together in a certain
Certain.
area.
Very good. A community is a group of people who live together in a certain area. And that's exactly what a community does or is. Have a look here. Can you read this for me? Kun, if you live
If you live in the same area
area,
area with a group of people, you are part of the community.
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 Very good. Well done, Kun. Okay, guys. So a community essentially is the group of people that live in the same area as you. So in your neighborhood, if you have lots of people that live with you or near you, that is your community. Okay? Okay, have a look at this question. Can you read this question for me, Ruby?
To what community do you belong?
Very good. To what community do you belong? So, where do you live? What is your neighborhood? What community do you belong to? What community do you belong to? So, communities can be big or communities can be small. So, your small neighborhood community is your local community. But what country do we live in for Vanchi?
Vietnam.
Vietnam, good girl. So we all live in Vietnam right now. So on a large scale, Vietnam is our community. That is the people that we live near. Okay, on a smaller scale, we all live in Hanoi. We are part of the Hanoian community. They are the people that we live near. For example, sometimes communities in the small neighborhood areas will have something called a community watch or a neighborhood watch. What that means is that everyone will look after each other. If you see someone walking around your community who does not belong there, who maybe looks suspicious, maybe they look like a thief, you would call on all of your community to warn them of the suspicious behavior that you are seeing. So a community is an area of people who live near one another. Okay, let's have a look at the next word. The next word is languages. Can everyone say languages?
Languages.
Beautiful. Well done. Okay, Simon, can you read this sentence for me, please?
People use different languages to write and to speak to one another.
Perfect. Well done. People use different languages to write and to speak to one another. Have a look here. It says gespert, closed, chiuso, and bara. I know the word closed. This language is English. Does anyone know what the first language is? Gespurt. Any idea what language that is? Does anyone want to have a guess? Go ahead, Michael.
German?
Very good. German. Well done. Perfect answer. You got it first time. Gespurt is German. Well done, Michael. And it means closed. Perfect. Michael, can you read this sentence for me?
Languages are the way people speak and write.
Perfect. Well done. Languages are the way people speak and write. What languages do you speak? So guys, what languages can you speak? So I speak English, I speak a little French, a little German, and a little Spanish, and a little Vietnamese. Not very much though. What languages can you all speak? Nancy?
I have three languages, and English is one, Vietnamese is one, and French is one. I'm mostly good at the language English.
Very good. Well done. Perfect. You're mostly good at English. Well done. Is it your favorite language, Nancy?
Yeah.
So many of you raised your hand that I actually want you to go to the chat box and please type in your languages that you can speak. Okay, so Fred said Vietnamese, Michael said Russian, Cherry said Japanese, Mooney English, Daisy English, Swimin English, Vietnamese, Dingming can speak Chinese. Very good. So lots of Vietnamese. I wish I could speak better Japanese. Swimin can speak Japanese. Nuna can speak Spanish. Wow, very impressive, guys. Ooh, Daisy can speak Laotian. Very cool. Okay, guys, and stop. Amazing. Well done. Okay, let's have a look at the next word. Our next word is transportation. Can we all say after me? Transportation. Go.
Transportation.
Lovely, lovely reading, guys. Transportation. Okay, can you go ahead and read for me, Mooney?
People use transportation to get from one place to another.
Very good. Well done. Lovely. People use transportation to get from one place to another. What kind of transportation is this? Daisy.
Bus.
A bus, a school bus. Good girl. Daisy, can you read this definition for me?
Transportation is a way of moving or something or someone from one place to another.
Lovely reading, Daisy. Thank you. Transportation is a way of moving something or someone from one place to another. So, for example, we have transportation for people. They are buses. What else? What other kinds of transportation can people take? Type in the chat box. Good. Very fast. Train, car, train. What else? So, an airport is a place, but in the airport, we can take a plane. Yeah, motorcycle, a truck, a jet, boat. Well done, a boat. Amazing. Good job, guys. Bicycle, ship, canoe. Well done, Ming. A canoe, a motorbike, a ship. Good, good, good. A rocket. Ooh, who said rocket? Dammy, good job. Jeep. Well done, Simon. A parachute. Well done, Daisy. Oh, a submarine. Gosh, really good words, guys. A camper van. Very, very good. Okay, and stop. Stop with the transportation. Well done. Have a look at this. What transportation do people use in Hanoi? Ooh, interesting. Jenny.
Car.
A car. Good. Well done, Jenny. Cherry, what about you? What do you think?
Motorbike.
Motorbikes. Very good. Lots of people use motorbikes. One more. Vanchi. So Vanchi, we've had motorbike and car. What else do people use here in Hanoi?
Bus.
Bus. Good girl, Vanchi. Well done. Lots of people use the bus. Perfect work. Okay, our next word is subjects. Can everyone say subjects?
Subject.
Beautiful. Love sup. Can you read for me?
Science is one of the subjects taught in the school.
Very good. Science is one of the subjects taught in school. Awesome work. So you guys learn loads of different subjects in school. Science is one of them. Have a look at this. Kitty, can you read for me?
Subjects
are topics of study, such as science and music.
Lovely reading, Kitty. Well done. So, subjects are topics of study, things that we learn and things that we study about. We can study science and music as subjects. Have a look at this question. What subjects do you like to study? So, you can type your answers in the chat box and I'll ask you guys as well. Ding Ming, what is a subject that you like to study?
Science.
Science. Okay, very good, Ding Ming. Well done. So many of you are saying science. So let's see. We've got math from Simon, math from Fred, science from Simon, science from Nancy. Daisy is saying languages. Good bonus points for Daisy. Nuna is saying art. Suri saying languages. History. Well done, Michael. Okay, guys, you can stop typing in the chat box. Really interesting. So many of you guys said art, science, English, math, history, environmental studies, computer programming. Amazing. Very, very good. Lots of different subjects that we can study. Good job, guys. Let's have a look at the next word. Our next word is lessons. Can everyone say lessons?
Lessons.
Well done. Lots of shouting there. Okay, Suri, can you go ahead and read this for me?
This teacher gives lessons to his students. The students learn from each lesson.
Very good. Well done. Lovely reading, Suri. Let's have a look at the definition. Can you read the definition for me, Michael?
Lessons are things to be learned or taught.
Very good. Lessons are things to be learned or taught. Amazing work. But tell me, what lessons do you have outside of school? Do you have any extra outside lessons? Can you tell me, Daisy, painting lessons? Planting. Oh, wow. Planting lessons. Very nice. Good girl. So that'll help you become a good gardener. Amazing. What kind of lessons do you have outside of school? Swimming. Science. Okay, so you like science lessons the best. Good. Science lessons are super fun because you get to do lots of experiments. Okay. Kaki, what kind of lessons do you have outside of school?
Lot of things. Swimming, taekwondo.
And taekwondo.
That
Very nice. That's cool. Well done, Kaki. So you do swimming and taekwondo. Mooney, what about you? Do you do any lessons outside of school?
exercise.
Ah, okay. So you have gym lessons outside of school. Good girl. Great answer. Well done. And I know that many of you have musical lessons outside of school. Simon, you learn the violin outside of school. And I know that many of you learn the piano outside of school. And I know that many of you have art class outside of school, like Nancy. I think you have art class, right? So we have lots and lots of different classes outside of school. So we sometimes have extra lessons outside of school to learn about things that they don't teach in school. Okay, let's move on. The next the next word is special. Can everyone say special?
Special.
Lovely. Okay, Dami, can you go ahead and read this for me?
These students go to a special school for music. They play music every day.
Very good, lovely reading. These students go to a special school for music. They play music every day. So some students who want to really excel in their musical career will go to a special music school. Now, the word special, what does it mean? Well, let's have a look. Daisy, can you read for me?
Something special is different from all others.
Very good. Something special is different from all others. So if something is special, it's not normal or ordinary. It's better than that. It's different and more interesting and better than something that is just plain. Well done. Okay, can you read the sentence for me, Suri?
What day of year
What?
is the most special to you?
Very good. What days of the year are most special to you? Lovely reading. So tell me, what days of the year are most special to you? I'll give you mine. The 2nd of April is a special day for me because it's my birthday. So I always celebrate and have a really good day on my birthday. What about you, Haling?
My special day is 25th
Of, do you know what number the month is? Is it the first month, the second month, the 6th? So that is June. So the 25th of June is your special day.
Because it is my birthday.
Good girl, because it's your birthday. Well done. Amazing. Okay, so what other special days? Who else has some special days? Who can tell me about their special days? Hi, Fam. Can you tell me? Talking about Christmas. Okay, why is Christmas special to you?
Because I have present.
Good job. Christmas is special because you get to give and get presents. So well done. Perfect. Yes, so Daisy is saying Thanksgiving, New Year. Fred said Christmas too. And Daisy said Earth Day. Well done. Earth Day is amazing. Today is Earth Day. Okay, guys, last word of the day is where. Can everyone say where?
Where?
Lovely. Where? Very good work. Okay, can you read for me, please? Katie, can you read for me, please?
Where these two students wear uniforms at school.
Lovely reading, Katie. Thank you. These two students wear uniforms at school. Let's have a look. What does the word wear mean? Fred, can you read this definition?
To wear something is to have it on your body.
Very good. To wear something is to have it on your body. Perfect. So when we wear something, we put it on ourselves. For example, we can wear sunglasses. We can wear headphones. We can wear jewelry. We can wear many different things. Have a look at this question. Can you read for me? Nuna.
What are your favorite things to wear?
Perfect. What are your favorite things to wear? Everyone, go to the chat box and tell me. Okay, so Daisy is saying a dress, a red shirt, or a skirt. Good girl, Daisy. An aozai. Oh, good, Katie. Wearing an aozai is so special. My hoodie. Good job, Dami. A hoodie is very comfortable. A hair bow. Good job, Daisy. A clown suit. Fred said a clown suit. I would like to see you in school in your clown suit, Fred. Haling is saying a dress. What else? What else do you guys like to wear? What's your favorite thing? A sleep suit. Ah, like your pajamas. Taekwondo uniforms and a red black belt. Ooh, very nice. A skirt or an aozai dress. Good. So we spell skirt with a K like this. A dress, a hoodie, shorts. Amazing. A school suit. Ooh, so your uniform. Good. A sleep suit. Simon says a blue shirt, very good. So we had lots of different things, lots of dresses, lots of aozais, lots of shirts, lots of suits, a super wing suit, and hoodies and shorts and shoes. Amazing, well done. So we like to wear comfortable clothes, or we like to wear beautiful clothes like our aozais. Amazing work, guys. Okay, that comes to the end of our lesson. So I'm going to show you your homework. What we have to do for homework is all about our vocabulary. Oops, have a look at our homework. Ta-da! So, vocabulary here, way people act, dress, and speak. You choose the words that match the definition, okay? So you go through the vocabulary words and you make sure that you match it with the correct definition. Okay, do I have any question about the homework? Simon, have you got a question?
Okay, I don't know. The number one is the way people act, dress, and speak.
The way people act, dress, and speak. Okay, so let's think about that. So how people act, how they dress, and how they speak. So for example, let's do Vietnam. In Vietnam, how do people act? People are friendly, people are kind. How do people dress? Well, we have special clothes in Vietnam. Some of those special clothes we talked about were áo dài.
I think
And
that's called community.
oh, so very close. I can see why you think that would be community, but it's actually your culture.
Culture?
Your culture, yep. So the language that you speak is Vietnamese. The way that you dress sometimes could be with áo dài, and the way that you act, that is all to do with your culture. So different cultures will act, dress, and speak differently.
Okay.
Okay, so I can see why you would confuse that with community. What we're going to do is we're going to type it up on Google Form. We will send a link to you and you will type it out on the internet. Okay, guys, if there are no more questions, that will be the end of our class. So well done, guys. Good job today with your vocabulary. A link will be sent to your parents' email address with the homework, and you can fill it out online. Okay, guys, well done today. Bye. See you
Bye bye
tomorrow.
bye.
Bye.
Bye.